Hey guys, welcome back to Fixify, the YouTube channel that teaches you all the how-tos. In this video today, we are back looking at Notion, the all-in-one team building platform used to help manage your team and manage your business. Now, specifically today, we're coming back over to the Fixify's YouTube channel, how-to overall Notion platform. Now, today we are specifically looking at how to build a calendar. Now, the reason we are using the Notion calendar is because a lot of people tend to say that the Notion calendar you can make, the one that comes pre-installed, is oftentimes better than, let's say, Google Calendar, Outlook, even your smartphone's calendar, anything like that. A lot of people say that Notion does tend to do it better. So that's what we're going to be doing today to kind of see how it really is. Now, of course, you're going to be wanting to use this more for your business. So at the very end of the video, we're going to be showing you how to merge your Notion calendar with, let's say, your Google Calendar. Now, first step to do is we're going to come all the way back over to our Fixify's Notion page. We're going to come all the way over here to the general tab again, click the new page icon, click on that, and see, there we go. Now we're at the new page. We're just going to type in Fixify calendar list. And there we go, Fixify's channel calendar. Now, the way we're going to be making this calendar is we're going to be making it specifically to manage our YouTube channel. So we're going to put videos down. We're going to put, editor has to do this, filmmaker has to do that, thumbnail designer has to do that. Basically like a to-do list, but marked for every single day of the month. Now, I'm going to show you a couple of different ways you can do it. First thing you can easily do is the easiest option to do it is come all the way down here where it says database and click just calendar. And here we go. Now it's going to make basically a full new view calendar. And it brings you to this kind of like this blank page where it says no data. So over here on the side, it says select data source, no results, new database. We're going to come over here and click new database. And that'll launch our new calendar. We can come right now for January of 2023. And basically, we could easily just put down every single day or thing we have to do. Now, all the way over here, if you click on a certain day, let's click on January 1st, click on this plus icon to add a new item. This is going to be our task for the day. Let's call this one Notion video, parentheses, how to use. And there we go, right there. It says Notion video, how to use. And that's going to be our task for the day. And we can make as many as we want, and it'll fill up the entire box. Now you could even drag this and move it to different days as well, or you can do copy and paste, and you could add two. Now you have multiple, and now every day is filled up. So let's say, yeah, we're doing 3 videos a week. Let's say Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So that's 6 videos in 2 weeks. And that's the very, very, very easy way of doing it. Now, obviously, when you go and click on a new item, you can have so many new things like new tags you can use. So it'll automatically always create the date of the day you're using it. So let's call this one, let's just say Canva as, a random idea. Canva how to. With the day, you could add comments, you could add more property. So like you could add the person who has to do it. Person, let's just put John Doe. There we go. So now John Doe has to do this project, and there we go. Now that's just a very quick and easy way to do it. I'm going to now show you a kind of more advanced way to do it, and one that gives you quite a bit more options to do it, like making templates, making, commands that'll automatically select the days to do it with. Just a really cool way to do it. Okay, so I made a new page. I'm just going to type in advanced calendar. There we go. Now, the reason I'm doing it this way right now is because we're going to, for this specific calendar, we're going to want to have more stuff on the actual page rather than just the calendar, just to give you a lot more options to deal with. Now, like we showed you before, like it says, just type anywhere to start typing. We're going to hit the command option. We're going to type in calendar view. There we go. It's the same thing right here. So we could even put the original calendar right here. And there we go. And now we have the Fixify's calendar that we originally made right here in the advanced calendar section. However, if you wanted to make a brand new one, you could still just do it the exact way we did it before by, hitting the new database and clicking on the calendar option. Okay, so here we are in January, and everything is saved from where we originally had it. If you want to come all the way up here and hit new, this will just make you an entirely new day. Now, doing it this way, you do have to fill out the specific date. So let's call this one channel overview. And on this day, let's make it January 31st, just so we can go back and see how our channel did on the past month. Now, you could even specifically make it for a certain time. So let's come over here. Let's click on it again, come all the way down here. So it says include time. And let's just make this 4 p.m. There we go. So now it's January 31st at 4 p.m. Okay, now one thing I will say is I'm not a huge fan of how Notion does handle recurring events. Now, I have figured out kind of a way to do it. It is a little annoying. It's more tedious than anything. We're gonna make a little command so where we would click on it and then easily either just select it for a certain day or drag and insert it for a certain day. So before I get started with that, I am going to say that the specific task I'm going to be making is, so let's say YouTube video. So make YouTube video. So we're going to come all the way down here, click anywhere to start typing, hit the command, and we're going to type in template button. There we go. Configure new template button name. We're going to create add a new to do. What's going to be called, we're going to choose for the button name to be make YouTube video. Now, it automatically makes it a to-do list. We don't want that, so let's highlight it, let's delete it, and we just want it to be basic text, and we want it just to say YouTube video do. And so you'll see when we hit the close button, so right now right here it just says a little make YouTube video. Come over here, we click on it, there we go. So we can drag it now to whichever day we want. So let's stick with the Monday, Wednesday, Friday thing. Put it there we go. Do it again, and we'll do that for the entire month. There we go. We have it done for the entire month now, so it could be tedious just aligning it with every single option, but at least this way you don't have to keep making it. So let's say we're a few months into it, we don't have to really just keep typing it out every single time. Easily just make it, boom, drag it, boom, boom, there we go. And it's easy just like that. And even from right here, you could still move it around very, very easily, whether you want to change the day or change the month or whatever you want to do. Okay, now that we actually figured all of that out, now what we're going to do is we're going to kind of show you how to embed or even kind of sync your Notion calendar with your Google Calendar, so you could kind of still see both your personal calendar and your work calendar all in one. Okay, so here we are in Google Calendar right now, and you can kind of see it's all kind of familiar. Now you're gonna come over right here. Now it is gonna say your name. I have it blurred out for personal reasons, but you can come over here where it says the 3 dots right here. Click on them, settings and sharing. And the first thing you're gonna really see is you're gonna come all the way down here and see the access permission for events. Little tab down here, and you're gonna want to make sure you hit the make available to public button right here. Warning: making the calendar public will make all the events visible for the world. Yes. And you can come all the way down here, and you're going to be able to see, I have a lot of this blurred out, but you could, right here it says, like, and it's going to come over here, and it's going to say public URL to this calendar. And if you copy that, and then heading back over to Notion, and then similar to where we made the actual template button, we're going to come all the way down here, click again, hit the / command. We're going to add a block, and we're going to say embed. There we go, embedded link. You're just going to paste your Google Calendar link, embed a link. And you can see right here, made a new little calendar right here. So this is the Google Calendar. Kind of just make this, you know, decent size right here. There we go. Now, unfortunately, this is really only a view calendar. You can still go over, change everything you want, but right here now you can still see, you know, your personal calendar and your work calendar. Now, unfortunately, I think the only way you can like fully sync each calendar together is I think you have to pay a certain like subscription base for Notion, and maybe even Google. I'm not entirely sure. But in anyways, that is actually how you do make a calendar. We showed you how to make a basic calendar where it's nice and easy. You can make it in literally 5 seconds. Then we showed you how to make a little bit more of an advanced calendar with template action buttons, along with embedding your Google Drive, your Google Calendar. So I just want to say thank you guys all so very much for watching. Please let us know in the comment section below any type of videos you want to see in the next episode. Now, real quick, if you've liked what you've seen and you want to check out some of the product links we have down listed in the description box below, when you click on one of the links and even potentially buy the product, we do, however, receive a small commission, which does help the channel out greatly. So if you like this channel and you like this video and you want to see more videos like it, please, I recommend you go subscribe, like, comment, and even go check out those product links down below. Thank you guys all so much for watching. Hope you guys have a great day. And with that, thanks for watching.